Hey everyone, welcome back to edquest. In this session, we will do hands-on building and deploying a simple linear regression model that predicts salaries based on years of experience. This end-to-end system includes a training pipeline, a REST API to serve the model, containerized deployment using Docker. Let's dive in. We have prepared an GitHub repository for you to get started. First, open VS Code, clone the repository using the provided GitHub URL in the description. In the terminal, navigate to the working directory. As you can see, we set our directory 04 Docker experiments. And now, understanding the code structure. Linear regression.py model training file. This script handles training the regression model using salary underscore data.csv file. We have used sklearn linear regression class to train the model. The script perform data pre-processing, model training, model validation, dump the model file, model evaluation, generate evaluation metrics like MAE, MSE, RMSE and R2 score. Finally, the trained model is saved as a .pkl file using joblib for later use. Now serving the model using FastAPI. Now let's look at how we serve this trained model using a FastAPI. The model is loaded with model equals to joblib.load linear regression model.pkl file. The app has two routes. /home just confirms the API is running. /predict post takes in JSON data and returns predictions. Input is received and passed to the model like so. Features equals to np.array data features dot receive -1, 1 prediction equals to models dot predict features. And now install the dependencies. All required packages are listed in requirement.txt. FastAPI, sklearn, numpy, pandas, joblib. Install them with pip install -r requirement.txt. Now step-by-step breakdown of the Docker file. As you can see, from Python 3.10-slim, we start with a lightweight Python 3.10 base image to keep the container size small. Work directory /app. Set the working directory inside the container to /app. All subsequent commands will be run from this directory. Copy linear regression model.pkl .copy requirement.txt. Copies all the trained model and the list of dependencies into the container. Run pip install -r requirement.txt. Install all the required Python package listed in requirement.txt. And now copy copy all the remaining projects file, example app.py CSV file into the container and expose 5005. Expose port 5005 so the fast app can be accessed from outside the container. And in last cmd uvcon, app -host, 0.0.0, port, 5005. Set the default command to run the FastAPI when the container starts. And now wrap up this session. To summarize, we trained a simple linear regression model on salary data, built a REST API using FastAPI to serve the model, saved the trained model using joblib for inference. Containerized the application using Docker for seamless deployment. This project gives you a complete workflow for data preprocessing and model training to API development and containerized deployment. It's a solid foundation for deploying machine learning models in real world application. Great job and see you in the next session. Thank you.